Hi everyone, this is Swapna and welcome to my channel Desi in Deutschland. I live in Germany with my family and I work here, and I like to make videos about job, education and life in Germany. So this is just my small initiative so that I can help people who are seeking some guidance or some information so that they can get some better opportunities. So let's get started. In this video, let's talk about very important point for the job hunt, which is cover letter. So when I uploaded my first video and after that one testing video, I have been asked questions about why do we need to upload cover letter and what format we should use and what if we don't upload cover letter. And let's talk about all these points so that we will be clear about it and we can help and speed up our job hunt and we can get better opportunities sooner. So let's start. So the thing is that when I was doing job hunt, I was same. Even in some cases I did not upload cover letter because I thought this is just some extra information that I don't want to give, because all the information what I'm going to mention in the cover letter is all mentioned in my resume, and resume I'm going to upload. After some unsuccessful attempts, I realized that let's just make one cover letter, because anyway I'm doing job hunt and I just need to make one more extra document which will anyway gonna help me, and I just need to put one extra effort and it's just done. So I started preparing it. I prepared it and I started applying on the jobs with cover letter and with my resume. And later I realized I started receiving some positive feedbacks, responses, and it was a bit different. And I started using this approach for all the job applications. And anyway I got one, but I understood this importance later when I was involved in the recruitment. Then I realized why cover letter is important. Why do we need cover letter? So cover letter is the very brief introduction about yourself, what you have done, what you are expecting, and why are you interested about this job. And recruiters, they want to know it because your resume contains more information that they don't want to know right now at this moment, because at this moment they just want to make sure that the given job description is matching with your knowledge. So for that, cover letter is quite important. And if you will have this question like why can't recruiter read all those information from your resume itself, so thing is that when they open one position, they start getting flood of applications and they cannot go through with all those applications at once. So they need some brief introduction about yourself, so that could help them to finalize a shortlist to your resume. We know that why cover letter is important, and let's have a look how it should be or how we should prepare it. So in the cover letter, basically you can find this format here, but basically it should not contain more information. It should be very precise and to the point, what you are looking for, why are you interested, what you have done, and just something about yourself. You should have some detail about yourself in the top of the paper, like your name, your phone number, your profile, LinkedIn profile, and your address. And sometimes people also use their photograph, but I'm already using my photograph in the resume, so I left it on the cover letter. I did not put it. So this is the format that I have used in my job hunt. So guys, the question is, what if I don't upload cover letter into my job application? What harm possibly it could do to me? So I think it's not going to harm you very much, because you are going to upload your resume anyway to the job application. But if there are many applicants for the same job role, and if they are having all their information, cover letter, resume attached to their job application, and if you're not doing it, so possibly they might get a bit upper hand than you, because their profile might be eye-catching and they might get shortlisted before than you. So you might get selected. It just might be if you have like strongest luck that time, but if they are having all those information ready, so possibly they might be the first one to get shortlisted. Guys, now we know that cover letter is equally important as much as your resume, so do not forget to make one. Please use it when you apply for application, and if you're sending your resume to anyone, please don't forget to attach it in your email. And you can also use few sites which can help you to design your resume and cover letter, which is like Europa and ZT. It will help you, and you can make your resume for free, and go visit it. I will put those links in the description. This is it for this video, and if you have any questions about cover letter, please put in the comment box. I will try to reply it, and I will try to help you out as much as possible. And in the next video, let's talk about resume and its format. So this is it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, and share my video. Share it to your family, friends, and please spread it so that I can help as much as possible to everyone. Thank you so much, and see you. Bye bye.